Galing po si Kuya Max. Ito po ang pinakamatinding social roller chef. May lisensya po to. Kami wala lisensya.
Laging absent.
Canceling of the year. Maros Marcelo. Wow. Ano yung viva? Look like you are acting something. Hindi mo pagkita mo ba niyo?
Oh.
Yung sabi dito.
Ano talaga to? Tatak sirilo to?
Gluten free po ba yan? Lactose free.
Vegan.
Vegan po ba yan?
Kasi itong baboy na to, kumakain lang to ng damo, kaya vegan.
Vegetarian ba yan?
Yeah, vegetarian.
Tama na ko yung Mars. Basta magkikinuha mo lahat ng Excel eh. Send ko sa kanya mga photo and video.
Next year, the new owner.
Yes.
You know the whole board.
Next year, we have a new owner. You know what's gonna be the Chinese.
Dami mong alam.
Saan ka nakikita ng ganyan? Tatak forever lang yung paghiwa-hiwa niyan.
Wow. Hey, Mark. Vegetarian. This for my life.
Oh, why can't you lay out this nothing? Why you want me to do all?
Dinig niyo yung sound?
Wow.
We're not even in starters yet.
Malaman yan.
Starters first.
Asa lang yan yan? Yan, naka-standby daw siya ngayon. Pero standby. Standby for flights. Alam mo, hindi, ba't pa talaga na-cover? There were so many of us when it was like first Julia, even. Julia was here. Marlon. Yenny. Was Nikita here? No. Then, Lisa Por. Naman ako yung Marso. Mabat na ako.
Merry Christmas!
O, tao man na nag-advertise sa iyo. Alme. Lasing na ba yung katabi?
Ito.
Lasing. Balik ka. Alme.